Check out this beautifully updated ranch-style home in Garrett's Countryside Estates. This single-story residence is framed by a generous privacy-fenced yard and a cover-shaded pergola over the extra-large patio, making it the perfect destination for outdoor gatherings. Step inside to a welcoming foyer and flow into the great room, which is bright and airy with vaulted ceilings and neutral finishes, offering easy transitions to every part of the home. Now let's head into the heart of the home, the kitchen. It features ample custom cabinetry, laminate countertops, a walk-in pantry, and a handy breakfast bar with island space ideal for both quick bites and hosting. All appliances stay, making it truly move-in ready. This home adopts a highly sought-after split-bedroom layout. The main level owner suite is positioned for privacy on one side, while 2 additional bedrooms are located on the opposite wing. The convenient laundry room is just off of the kitchen, making daily chores simple and seamless. This move-in ready ranch balances comfort and functionality, exactly what many buyers are seeking. Call Linda Carper to see this gem before it's gone.